Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's Saturday. Gonna try to do an overnighter. Well, I'm gonna do an overnighter. I don't really have any other plans. Nothing really solid. As you can see by the vehicle behind me, the truck's right there. There weren't a lot of campsites open, so I pretty much took like the last one that was open, and only because there was a Forest Service vehicle sitting here and some guys were spraying out this fire pit, so I think somebody had lit a fire. They came by, wrote them a big ticket, and then probably kicked them out, and then they were spraying the pit. So I'm gonna put my hammock here. It's not the greatest spot, it's pretty small, kind of limited, but you know, it's better than sitting home watching TV on the couch. So an okay day in the woods beats a day sitting on the sofa. I'll show you that fire pit right now. So here's the fire pit. Looks like they kind of dug it out, and looks like they sprayed it because it looks like it's been moistened. Plus I saw them with a sprayer, so I don't know why. I'm going to cook on a Trangia today for dinner, lunch, and breakfast tomorrow, so my plan is Trangia. There's a little stream over here. I'm going to try to collect some water, just to have a jug of water nearby, because we're under fire restriction, burn ban right now. Can't have fire at all. So, but first I'm gonna get my hammock going. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Almost my entire hammock system fits in the Hidden Lisbon book bag. It's got a 100 feet of paracord around a wooden spoon, because it's just kind of a pain in the ass when you coil it and it gets stuck together. Got my Suwalki solar lantern, which I need to get out in the sun, a headlamp and whatnot, my tarp, my hammock, pillow and suspension system, my first aid kit I just threw in here, and my cordage baggie, which is a Hidden Woodsman fire pouch. Of course, you know, not my underquilt doesn't fit in here, and neither does my sleeping bag or my modified top quilt, which is just a sleep bag unzipped. Hello. Yeah, so I say they take their fire safety pretty seriously. I mean, they came by like literally just, well, almost 8 minutes ago, and he's like, "Hey, we're here. There was a fire here," and then just proceeded to do shit, stir all this mud. Yeah, so that's pretty much what they did to it. They douched it all down, stirred all the rocks. Wow. What I'm probably going to do is I'm going to grab the flattest rocks, and I'm going to cook with a Trangia stove, so I'm going to probably grab a lot of the flattest rocks I can, do like a little ring over here to put the Trangia on top of, which I'll show you when I do it. And then I'm going to just push everything back into the center. So, now I'm working on my hammock. Alright, so experience tells me it's already too high, because you want to have it about sitting, about the height that you would sit at. That's a bag for the hammock. Push that out of the way. That's not too bad. Make sure I don't have any sharp things in my pockets. Squared up. Wow. Okay. Making sure everything is squared up.